Oh, I can see your mouth moving. Not great, Clawham, but it is moving. Was that Clawham?
Yep.
Hey, Clawham. You don't sound the way you look, I must say.
Yeah.
Expected, I expected a more feminine voice.
Is this better?
So how is he? I think it's so high, right?
Yeah, but I might be able to
Oh.
go right down into it. Ooh. Looking good. Possibly.
We have another ballista bridge. Can someone push?
Okay, we need potentially somebody else to push him into the back. Come on, man!
Cat, hover up a bit.
Oh, I don't want to get under that. Look good. Look safe. So, if you're just tuning in, we are doing some more ballista testing.
Whoa, what the hell?
It's looking quite hopeful so far. We have one in the cat. Japs is engaging something in the sky. To Connie.
Connie, Illich.
We've got two ballistas.
On it, on it.
There we go. Oh, I'm getting in the turret.
And you just took an eclipse out. I could have wiped that out.
Oh, this. Oh man. Oh, this poor guy.
Wreck him. Wreck him with the ballistas.
Hey, can someone turn this cat around? I can't shoot that guy.
He's landing. What the hell?
I know,
You think
I
we
gotta
should-
give him the pilot suit and everything.
Yeah, we should potentially try the. Who is this man? Who is that down there? Who is that down there? Is this the Connie pilot, the Constellation Andromeda pilot? Who is it? I'm gonna put you down if you don't speak up.
Put him down.
Fuck. Finish him. I got a crime. Homicide. Damn it! Conray's like a big space CCTV, pretty
Pull up,
much.
pull
Oh
up, pull
fuck.
up.
Oh shit.
Pull down, pull down. Pull down, full shoot. Full power. Nose down.
Eject.
No, he's gonna be fine. Oh!
Oh,
Oh! Shit! Okay, we're okay.
Okay, you're fine.
Oh.
Recovered, well done.
That was a German suplex on a cat.
German suplex.
That escalated quickly.
Put the ballista here for loading.
Yep. So let's bring another one up, please. Who's got the next one here? Yes, Malithian and Clawhammer. Our next sacrifice to the Cristo Roberto God.
God, my palms are sweaty.
Knees weak. There's a freelancer on R6.
That's Aerostan.
Roger.
Go to the starboard side of the cat, Jeps.
Wait, don't move the ship! Ballista in space! Take a look here. Let's try to avoid dying. Oh, that is amazing. Beautiful stuff. Now I guess we see if we can fire this thing in space. Not that that's the most important thing. The most important thing is that we can actually quantum. Can we quantum? Has anybody tried yet?
We
Yeah,
can
we have
test that
tried.
after firing, and we'll see if it
Okay.
works.
Sounds good. Looks like everybody's getting high off a bowl on board that Prospect. It's got like a cloud of haze following it around.
It's totally poked out. You hotbox your prospector, PB.
That's what I wanted to say. All right. So this cat, I don't even see this cat anymore. Is it above us, below us, or?
It's quite far out. It's coming back now.
All right.
Crash.
Oh,
Crash.
crashed.
We all
Fuck.
crash.
Everybody recover.
Yeah, we've got a crash. I got crashed as well.
This was supposed to be fixed. Okay, thank God.
Where's the blister gone?
It's there, it's there, I can see it.
It's here. It's here.
So when you're ready, where is that cat first? Is it, I see it. When you're ready,
Starboard.
when you are ready, open fire. Please work.
Okay, power it on. Entering turret.
Turning.
Shit, what's the key for a medipen?
C.
Oxygen pen.
Really? Or no, wait. Oxypen?
Selecting the
Yeah.
cat.
I believe it's V as long as you don't have a gun out. Might be Bravo. Not sure.
Locking the missiles.
He's locking the missiles. Whoa!
Oh!
Yes! Oh, beautiful.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Come on, is that all you got?
Nope. More.
Oh, baby, that is so cool. It works. And it looks so good as well. So now the blister is empty as well. It's actually emptied out all its rockets, you can see.
No, I mean,
Jumping in.
not departing. I just have to get.
Roger.
Ready to close the ship. It's trying to close.
but I'm off course again.
Oh, what the? Oh, what the? What is?
He stayed in. He stayed in. I'm looking at his wheels. He's bouncing around, but he's here.
Yeah. Amazing.
Yes!